Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Sleeper Fantasy Football app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Sleeper app. Once you open up your Sleeper app, what you need to do is log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is simply tap on this three horizontal bar icon on the top left corner of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll be getting something like this on the screen. Now in order to play it, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon right here, and once you do that, you'll be sent to choose your game option. Now all you gotta do is choose fantasy football, and once you choose the fantasy football, what you need to do is you'll be provided with bunch of choices. As you can see on the screen, all you gotta do is scroll down and select one, and once you select it, here you'll find the option that says join league right here. Simply tap on any one of the option, or simply tap on the fantasy football league option, and then once you do that, go back to your home screen and then tap on the three horizontal bar once again, and under the leagues here the contact will be added right here. All you gotta do is tap on that, and once you tap on that, here you'll be seeing the draft road option, and then you can either tap on mock or draft room, and you can see the draft setting summary as well. That is 1.5 minute per pick, 15 rounds, and CPU auto pick as well. You can also invite your friends to play by simply tapping on this invite button and then following the on-screen instructions or process, and you can tap on leagues to check the standings also as well. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching, bye bye.